Welcome to our diet tutorial on how to make Matchbox helicopter. We are using matchboxes to make helicopter body. Let's begin, guys. First step is to cut matchbox in the middle. Next step is to fix motor rotor batteries and circuit in it. Cut another matchbox as we cut before. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Beautiful bird picture is also a matchbox side. Our helicopter is almost ready. We are cutting it into 4 small pieces. These pieces will work as helicopter legs. One drop of Alfie will stick it with matchbox. Next step is to make kite-shaped helicopter tail. We are using 2 sticks and a kite shape to make our beautiful helicopter tail. Do you like it, guys? It's just the beginning. We have many more interesting projects lined up. So stay with us and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. It was not flying, so we modified it to make it lightweighted. Hope now it will fly. Sorry, our baby bird pilot, you rest here. Oops, we changed its shape again. Hope it will fly now. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the process of making helicopter and are inspired to make your own. Stay connected with us for exclusive content.